Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device and due to losing of his device, now he has recommended to other rescue this ID particular, and now he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone so that easily he can. So yes, we will try to generate more opportunity to the rescue. There is not needed. Yes, recovery, email of the recovery phone, and by that, of course, we can easily the rescue of him. So we will see live. Now, see, this is ID that is asking us to the rescue of that, but yes, it was actually the viewer was extremely exhausted to the rescue of that. Now, see here is the sanction that verification. We don't have a phone so that easily we can rescue. So it is the sanction that I did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is real yours. Why the Google is asking for this information is to keep your account secure. Spontaneously, you will have to. If you would like to the risk of this idea, then you will have to answer these questions. Or second is that if your account is managed with the alternative email or alternative, of course, the recovery phone numbers, and then this can be the risk or the family links. So these kind of the options, of course, that we cannot reach or access so that we can the rest of that. So they can have alternative way. Of course, this can be. We will click on a Play Store. The Play Store we will have especially on the browser. The browser is that we will write here via especially browser. It is scarcely 2 to 3 MB. That's all, guys. So very light and the faster browser. So we are trying to show the rest of that. So let's install. So when we will tap to install, see total size is approximately 3 MB. On the other hand, let it install. On the other hand, two changes that's very crucial, guys. Hold this, especially Chrome browser. We will click on there and open. These exceptionals, inclusive instructions we will have to apply here. Just make it notification that should be off, and of course we will back here and coming on there we will come the permissions too. Of course we will have to tap on locations, make it the customize the precise location, go for don't allow. So no longer the functions is intended to notifying, but for a time because I'm going to mention these things, guys. Now yes, we will cut it from here. Similar step that we will have to apply on a Z browser, because on each smartphones there is a two browser automatically updated with especially Google Play Store. So we will have to apply this especially Z browser. We will come to app info, similar instruction we will have to apply on it also. We will come notifications, we will tap to blocks and come to permissions to, of course we will have to come locations to the make it the precise location of click here don't allow, no longer the function is intended finds. Now we will have to back and all the instructions should we have the complete checked out in that here. Yes, remove the permission free of space and that should be a disable and we'll back and open by default. Of course check it out that link should be a disable at all. So now this is permanently both are off for temporary, not the permanent, guys. After that enable it, this procedure can be applicable on any smartphones, guys, or Androids. So now we will come to Play Store. Once again we will tap on there and tapping on there now directly would be landed here, and here we will have to click on especially Google, and when we will write here, then at the corner there will be a shine option. When we will tap on this, then what's going to happen here, we will have to tap that yes particular ID that is especially has been recommended by viewer, and we will go for tap to next. Let's have the try to generate more alternative options. We'll go for forgot password because we don't have a password. So one opportunity. Second is that maybe especially device is locked, then there will be notification by OTP you can. We don't have. Now this is last password, guys. If you know, then by that this can be. So this is a third options, and the fourth options that is here. Maybe registered phone number if you have especially phones, and then you can get OTP and you can reset. So fifth number, and now here the further we can see. Further, especially listening to the answer is question source, a user device where you have the sign report, and there is a family link, and we have the sense and email to the path. So we have limited first. We have a limited options? No. One option we are missing here. That is a more tips to the rest of these accounts. We'll fix this one and we'll go for further. So don't click on here. We will use this feature. If this is a comics means surely of course you can be able to rescue your ID without having the recovery email and recovery from how it is. Just we will cut it from here directly from there. Now you will have to come in a setting. In setting in it's a smartphone, so there is a special provision facility. There's the Google services and the preferences. Of course, we will have to tap on that and we'll come on this special help options. Tap on this, and after tapping, what we will do, just we will click on a help options, and here simply we will have to write a hacked Gmail recovery. Sure, now we will have to mention this argument that why this option has been selected. Now see, we are going to the scope this account that is secured a hacked compromised Google account. So of course we are going to, now here we will click on this, and here is the review options. We will tap on this. Now here is the find out if your account is or has been hacked. Yeah, see that if you still believe that someone else is using. Yes, I believe. So we will tap on this, and now here just we will just let me now here I think especially here we have a little bit mistake to that. We will have to back, and there's options here. Just review your account activities where it is. Let me have, yeah, review your account activities where it is. Now just let me tap on this. Yeah, these options. Don't be in a hurry guys, otherwise you will also face this kind of problems. Now we will tap on this files. Now you would be landed here, that is especially these tips can the rest of that here. Now here next option that we will have to choose, check it out that you are on a right recovery page, because there are so many recovery pages on that different situation, different travel suit. Particularly we will have to go for access especially particular page. So create a replacement Google accounts. Avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. What if I still can't silence? If you can't, let's check it out. And there is a special one, the recovery page. Just directly, of course, we will click on this, and directly when we tap, then you would be directly reached on the recovery page. Now what do you see guys here? Yes, without having anything, so just one click, this ID would be recommended by Google, and simply we will have to click on an X. Don't do extra anything, so guys, now automatically it has been recovered. See what we will do here, don't go in excitement to the click on there, especially immediately continue. We will prefer to choose this update password. Why so? Because if we're going with the continue options, then yes, they would be eligible to verify that it's verify you also, and their OTP would be is needed. But here, without having the recovery email and recovery OTP, of course, now that we come on here, create a password, confirm password according to that, and you will have to choose the password that should be strong. Now here, save it, and after saving that, yes, you will have to go in a Google account management or Gmail account management. In the security, in there, we will have to choose that is especially alternative email. Add it there firstly, and then if you added alternative emails, and then of course you can remove the phone number that was added or registered with this ID, and then you can of course add new phone number, and this ID will be permanently secure. Further these steps of course cannot provide you especially with SVSLime demo, because this is a privacy concern of my viewer guys. So thank you very much indeed. And further any kind of query, or if you are unable to proceed these all procedures, then yes, there is the query, and right, drop your email and right, please rescue that, and then of course easily I will rescue. But you should have no any option, you should have no any objection guys to disclose your ID on a public domains fans, especially on this channel. So thank you very much indeed, and of course please share, join this channel, share, and of course like, subscribe this channel, so because anyone who's having this kind of special and challenge them, and they can be privileged and they can access easily all kinds of the informations to troubleshoot of that. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.